Hello, it's Jay here and welcome to another tutorial. In this lesson we're continuing on with the dynamic weather script, and in this lesson we're going to make a start on the coding for the audio. Now there's going to be a lot of code for the audio, so we'll probably break it down over 2 lessons, but for now we're going to bypass pig weather and come to the first actual weather state, sunny weather. And I'm just going to come at the bottom here, and what we're going to say is if open brackets get component, and the component we want is open brackets audio source, and we'll close brackets there, we'll open and close, and we'll say dot volume equals 0. So double equals here, and we'll close brackets, we'll open and we'll close. Now in the next video we'll be working on ways in which to lower and raise the volume, and this will help with the fading in and out of the different audio clips for each different weather state. So once the volume for the previous state, whichever one it may have been, reaches 0, so it's faded out, then we want to do something. And what we want to do is get component. Again, we'll open brackets and it's of type audio source. We'll close brackets there, open and close brackets, dot, and we'll stop that audio. We'll open and close, and we'll close the line off. So once the audio clip from the previous weather state reaches 0, we'll stop playing that clip, and then we'll come here and we'll say get component. Again, we'll open brackets audio source, we'll close, we'll open and close, and we'll say dot, and this time we want of type clip. And now we want to make it equal to the correct audio clip, which in this case is going to be sunny audio. And we'll close the line off, and again we'll just keep going through, get component, open brackets, audio source, close, open and close, dot, and this time we want to make sure that that audio clip's going to loop, so we'll say dot loop equals true, and we'll close the line off. And the final thing we need to do is again audio source, close brackets, we'll open and close, and now we just call dot, and we'll play the correct audio now, and we'll open and close, and we'll close the line off. So let's put this into the comments. So we'll say if the audio clip from the previous weather state equals 0. Now I'll just fix that typo there. Then stop playing the audio clip. The next line we'll say next, set audio clip to equal the sunny audio, then set this audio clip to loop, and in the next line we'll just say and then play the correct audio clip. And as we've done many times, we'll just copy this whole block and we'll just paste it in for the other weather states. And one last time, for the snow audio. And I'll just bring these comments here into line, just tidy up the script as we go, and then we can just change out the variable as we've done many times. So thunderstorm audio, and we'll change it here, and we also need to copy it in for the mist here. And again, we'll swap out the variable and the comment. And 2 more to go for overcast audio. And finally here for the snow. And again in the comments. So we'll just save that off there. So I hope you understand how this block of codes works. If you have any questions, as always, please leave them in the comments below and I'll try and answer them for you. And like I said, please remember that this block of code will not work until we actually add the code to raise and lower our volume, which we'll be doing in the next video. So I hope to see you again then. And as always, until next time, bye for now.